if x is equal to log 27 to the base 10 and y is equal to log 10 to the base 5 and z is equal to log 5 to the base root 3, and prove that xyz is equal to 6. Okay, now take left hand side, xyz is equal to 6. Now solution, taking consider left hand side LHS, x into y into z. X means log 27 to the base 10 into y means log 10 to the base 5 into log z is a log 5 to the base root 3. Now using log property, change of base, that is a log 27 divided by log 10, first one. Second one, into log 10 divided by log 5 into log 5 divided by log root 3 using change of base property. Log 10 cancel, log 5 cancel, remaining log 27 divided by log root 3. Okay, now this is equal to log 27 means this is a 3 cube divided by log root 3 means this 3 whole raised to 1 by 2 means root 3. Okay, now this is equal to log 3 using property, this 3 into log 3 divided by, again this is 1 by 2 into log 3 using logarithm properties. Log 3 get cancel, 3 upon 1 by 2 is a 6. Now this is a required right hand side.